Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to learn Japanese N5 N1 JPro that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So in here, search in learn Japanese N5. So here it is, the first one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So this is the home page, as you can see, and vocabulary. So you will be able to customize this. Then Mina 1 Rensho, kanji unit 5, and general N3 JLPT N3 to NP1, and so on. So they also have quiz, JLPT quiz. You can even customize the quiz and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. While waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that JPro Japanese Pro is an app for Japanese learners that helps you learn Japanese faster and easier from N5 to N1 level. So the main features available: full of most popular textbooks such as Minnano Nihongo, Soumatome, Mimikara Oboeru, Shinkanzen Master, JLPT N5 to N1, full vocabulary, grammar, kanji quiz, and more than 20,000 sample sentences with pronunciation. And also each lesson has lots of examples, pronunciation exercises attached, include multiple dictionaries. You can learn Japanese vocabulary by topics and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So there's a reminder here, you should download audio files to listen. Do you want to download the file? So since I don't have a strong internet connection, so I'm just going to do it later. So no. So this is the home page, and as you can see, you have choices in here. So Minnano Nihongo 1, Minnano Nihongo 2, and then the Soumatome 1, Soumatome 3, and so on. So just pick a topic in here that you are interested to learn. So let's say you wanna go with the vocabulary. So pick the vocabulary, and as you can see here, you have to download the audio files to listen if you want to. Let me just skip that for now and try this one. So as you can see, word, hira, meaning, and unlearn. These are the things that I have unlearned so far. So you can start from here for Minnano Nihongo Unit 1. So I, watashi. You can tap this star here to add it to your bookmarks. This one here, this check mark is an indicator that you already learned that. So you can learn it already. So starting from here, so kanji and hiragana, student, gakusei, and if you can actually tap this one, so this will actually make this. So when you tap the play button, you will be able to listen to these words and how to pronounce it properly. Since I'm using the microphone, it's not you will not be able to hear it since my microphone is attached. So once you're done, you can stop it. You can go to other units. You can see there's a lot of units for Minnano Nihongo. You can skip to, or you can jump to unit 24 if you want to. So unit 24, these are the vocabularies that you need to memorize. And this one here is where you can practice. So preparation, setup, junbi, and then there's a sentence in here, and as you can see, there's a sentence in here that you can listen. So ashita no kaigi no junbi o shita. I prepared for tomorrow's meeting. Ashita no kaigi no junbi o shita. So learned, and then this one imi, learned, and so on. So you can tap the three dots, and then you will have these options available: grammar, kanji, help, upgrade. This is where you can upgrade to pro version. Settings, let's go to settings and choose default number of questions. You can customize this, so just I will just leave it to 20. Choose speed reading, vocabulary sentence. This one, normal speed or fast, it's up to you. Then choose default display, so unlearn, yes, that's good. Enable auto repeat, so this is where you can listen a vocabulary, so just enable it for by default, and then you can rate the app and send feedback. So this is actually really good for learning Japanese from beginner to advanced. So let's try to get the grammar. And for the grammar, as you can see, te form, agimasu, muraimasu, kurimasu, noun, verb, ga, noun, person, ga, verb, and so on. You can go back to the home page. So as you can see, Minnano Nihongo 1. You can also, if you tap this menu here, you will have this option, so you can see the hiragana, katakana alphabet. If you are new to this language, then start from here, memorize this hiragana and katakana. This is their way of writing. And then you can proceed to Minnano Nihongo once you're done with Minnano Nihongo 1. Then Soumatome N3. So this is the Soumatome that you have to learn there. So there's a lot to learn actually. And then when you tap this one here, this right button, this is where you can start a quiz to test your vocabulary. So you can customize the maximum number of questions to be answered. Okay, just tap that and you will have these options. So you can start quiz there. And then if you know the answer, just pick, actually it's air condition. Aircon, next question, turn off. So this one is it's kanji actually, so I haven't been able to get this far, so I'm not going to answer it since kanji is a little difficult for me yet. So let's go back to where we can customize, where we can actually read news there, easy news. So if you have a faster internet, then you will be able to read news. So let me just there. So the news, you can read news if you want to, and then you can also have, actually there's a lot to learn, so the free version is really good. So kanji set, as you can see, they have also kanji that you need to memorize once you're done with the basics, the hiragana and katakana. Then general articles there, so just tap it and then you will have this information. So just select a topic in here that you want to read, you want to study. So I recommend starting from Minnano Nihongo 1, then going up to the JLPT quiz. So you have to answer all of this to become a better Japanese speaker. So Mimikara Oboeru, this is also good. There, just tap this one to play, and then you will be able to listen on how to pronounce it properly. So this application is really helpful if you're going to Japan, if you're planning to work there, if you're planning to visit someone, then I highly suggest having this app with you. It's really handy and helpful when it comes to speaking with the Japanese, and this is all help you getting embarrassment situations. So settings, we already have gone to settings and so on. So just go to the home page again and then select a particular topic that you want to read, that you want to study, like references there and so on. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.